Hi, I am Rajendra. I am Vice President Strategy at Lakshmi Vilas Bank Corporate Office Chennai here. I have been with the bank for the past 30 years and more than 3 decades having experience in the banking industry. And I have seen from the scratch how the bank has grown to this level. And with an aim to improve the bank and scale up among the peers at the top of the peers. This program has been identified for sponsored. I have been sponsored for this program. Yeah, actually this program has been organized by our HR department with an aim that the bank should list out in the top 5 among the peer banks. We wanted to be on the top of the 5 peer banks. With that aim, the program has been aimed and we have been sponsored. And actually, when we see the competition in the market and the survival of the fittest can only survive. And in the technological upgrade and other things, when all the banks are giving the same type of products and the differentiator can be only the services, and only the attitude of the employees can change the bank. And I hope this program has been designed in such a way the priorities of the bank is taken into consideration, and the program has been structured in such a way that what is required for the upgrading the bank to a next orbit, this is the only way. Yeah, overall experience of the program has been structured in such a way that bank has a discussion series, rounds of discussion with the Great Lakes Institutes, and they have structured the program in such a way that it addresses the bank's requirement for this moment, and in the long range what is the bank's aims, and to achieve those aims what is required at the bank to be changed. Whether it is say for regulators point of view, the main important criteria what has been seen by the regulator is how the customer service is imparted at the bank, how the cost to income ratio is there, and how the profitability and business per employee is improved. And these things are important for the regulator. At the same time, it is important for the investors also, because when we go approach the investors for increasing the capital, raising the capital, the investors aim at this bank with this as a basic requirement, and these are all the yardsticks which are required to be improved for garnering the stakeholders and improving the visibility of the bank. So these are all structured, and the program is aiming at this area, and the program is fully addressing the requirement of the bank. Actually, coming to the faculties, cream of faculties, the differentiator between the other institutes and this institute is you have the cream of faculties, experienced global experience, and they have the specialization in each area of operation which they undertake. And to be frank, this is a rare opportunity for us to have such faculties, guest faculties who have interacted with us and shared their experience. This is a major differentiator between the other training institutes and this institute, where we get the global vision, and we are able to align those experience and visions with what is required at the banking industry and implement those things in the banking. Yeah, to be frank, on the Great Lakes Institute, whenever the past 4 weeks whenever we enter the institute, we get a feel that we are getting regenerated, and we don't feel that it is a continuous week. And we are very happy that the ambience and the infrastructure what has been provided here is quite world class, and the maintenance and courtesy, the staff and other things, it is something remarkable, and we felt very comfortable in the ambience, and it is one of the important factors which differentiate the other institute and this institute. Each moment in the institute for the past 8 days is a different experience, because when we staff members undergo the training at our staff training college or external institution like Southern India Bankers Training College, we do not get this type of interactions and opportunity to share our experience with peers, and this is one of the each session was a different session, and we enjoyed each session, and after the session also we continued within our team members. We interacted and we were continuing the sessions even some of the days up to 10:30. So that much of inclination for the program and adaptability was there. Yeah, as far as the project is concerned, the project has been designed in such a way that each member has been, each group, the members of the participant has been segregated into 6 groups, and each of the team has taken up a project which are very vital for the bank's improvement, say from scratch, say branding. Branding is one of the important area of project, and how to build the brand. And brand building, apart from brand building, unless we have the differentiator, which is now to attract the young generation customers, digital banking is one of the important area. Another team has taken the digital banking as one of the area. Once we have the branding and digital banking in place, we can new acquisition, automatically it will come. Acquisition of the new customers, that is another project another team has taken. Once we have the new acquisition and this branding and digital banking is in place, automatically the profitability will be doubling. The profitability once doubling, profit per employee and business per employee will be increasing, and this will lead to the improvement in the cost to income ratio, which is a major ratio which has been seen by the investors and the regulator. So aiming at the end point, these projects what has been taken by each participant is very vital, and it will drive a long way when we go back to the institution, and we will be trying to implement this at the institute to improve this bank's growth and take the bank to a next level. Definitely this will help us. Though the program has been tightly framed, this since all participants were in the senior management level, we cannot extend the program beyond this level. So within the available time structure, it has been comprehensively structured and capsuled, and the cream of faculties, selected faculties, they were able to share their experience, and the projects were ably guided by Dr. Rajan. We were able to, he shared his experience, and he was a guide philosopher, and he guided each and every participant for making the project a successful one. And the flow of the project was very nice, and even though it was tightly structured, the best way we have utilized this, and we thank the Great Lakes Institute management and Dr. Rajan and the entire faculties who have participated and shared their experience. And we thank our bank also for having given us this opportunity of having undergone this training at this great institute. As the name says, the institute and the faculty and the administration and the ambience, everything is great, and we thank each one for the program. Thank you very much.